Hello everybody, my name is Camillo. Today we cook pork schnitzel, cucumber salad and creamy mushrooms. And let's start. Okay, we start with the cucumber salad. It's very easy. We take the cucumber, take a bowl, a box shredder, and shred the cucumber. Sour cream, vinegar, pepper, and salt. And a little bit of lemon. Yeah, the cucumber salad is finished. We put it in the fridge and start with the creamy mushrooms. We have simple mushrooms. We cut in small 4 pieces. And that's all. We can start. First we sear the mushrooms. Take a little bit butter in the pan and melt them. Okay, the butter is melted. I put the mushroom in. Sear it a little bit to golden brown. And take the cream cheese and the Traeger veggie wrap and let them cook for 1-2 minutes, and it's finished. Okay, we start with the schnitzel. I have here my eggs, my panko, Traeger wrap, and beautiful pork schnitzel. Spice up the panko. It's okay. Take the eggs. Okay, that's enough. And now we can start. Put the schnitzel in the egg. Take it out. Put it in the panko and Traeger mixer. Putting 1 time more in the egg. And putting now in the panko. Okay, the last one is finished. What we need, it is a tongue, and we can start to fry them. We take a Dutch oven, put oil inside, deep fried the schnitzel for 1-2 minutes. Look at the color of the schnitzel. You need to have it golden brown. Okay, you can see the schnitzel are deep fried, great color, golden brown. And then what we do is we take meat inside, and I heat it up, the Traeger, and we cook the schnitzel. And let's start. Yeah, the pork is ready, the mushrooms are heated up, and now we taste it. Crispy and juicy.